Can't bother with the worthless style them. And a brawling something.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
And alone share I know the call them.
Have to make enough money for me child them. Hear me as a viewers and subscribers. When you hear the voice, you know it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know. And you see the artist who me a review goes by the name Matta God. You see me? You can find him song at God Foundation X on YouTube. And me I say yo, I wanna my brother them this kind of viewers and subscribers. And I know me I tell the dogs right now, I time to start putting back your work in. I like when me tell my brothers them say yo,
I'm rich and I'm a teen, so I call them up. And alone darkness.
and the dog just voice his song, chuck it on YouTube, they give me work, you see me? And I them thing them I like see when the artists them I look out for a blogger them, cause you know say without the blogger them, you know, the artists them put out their work and nobody now go talk to you. So me like when time I say yo, a time to put out something, you know, so me can showcase your talent, you know, and you do it, you know. So me I say, Matta, big up yourself, you know, brother. Yeah, me I say, oh, that song a title, style them, you see it, cause there are some people, you know, no matter how much money them accumulate, you know, them worthless, you know, they know achieve nothing in their life, you see me, loan, braffing and baiting. You see them artists, you know, even time you look through them artists here, catalog a song, they have some conscious songs, some song where you go love. I wonder which part them artists did there so long. You see me? But I know which part in there so long. In song then the areas out there, but what you now look for good song and song where constructive. Uno go say uno this about. You know, Soji TV Entertainment there. I put you in the work and we there scoop out the thing them, you know. You see me? Yeah man. I mean I say Matta. Continue, you know, G. They're on the right path, you know. So viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you go over the God Foundation. You see me? I'm gonna run up the views, run up the subscribe, run up the comment. You see me? Make the artists know say a Soji TV Entertainment send you uno over there for support. You see it? Normal, we normal out. You see me? Fully not course, fully hundreds. Yeah man.